Right-clicking on empty space in the canvas opens the quick menu, where you can select different options. We'll start by adding a right-oriented connector. Clicking the Select Connector button opens the connector selector, where you can use filters or type into the search bars to quickly find the part you need. By default, products are sorted by stock quantity, from highest to lowest. Where possible, we recommend choosing items in stock to help reduce overall lead time. For connectors that support a backshell, a list of compatible options will automatically appear after selection. A backshell serves as a protective housing that provides strain relief at the cable connector junction, and we strongly recommend using one. Now we'll repeat the process to add another connector, this time a left-oriented one. Instead of using the quick menu, we can also use the control panel on the left side of the screen. Notice that the filters remain the same as before, which is helpful when selecting similar connector types. Also, if you can't find the connector you need in our database, you can add a custom one. For more details, check out our other video on the topic. As you can see, this connector offers a wider range of compatible backshells, which can vary by cable exit size, direction, and other features. Some also have different screw lock types. We're using a male M2.5 here. That's a 2.5mm thread which fits our setup. So make sure your backshell and screw lock match the mating connector and your application.